Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing. And the first thing I would like to convey is that I'm really sorry for being this much late. Actually, yesterday there were some connectivity problem too, means there was some technical error, right? So we are going to start our online classes from today, which means this is the day one of live classes. Don't forget to join me and learn study Japanese from very beginning. We are going to study Japanese from very beginning at the starting point from the zero. Okay. So let us in this video I will only just clear, we are not going to move ahead. Before studying, what you need to know is that we are going to discuss in today's video, or we are going to clear in today's video. Clear. So the first thing we are going to discuss in this video is introduction of course N5 and Q5. Now basically in first we will be doing the preparation for level N5 for level 5, which is the easiest and the first level for Japanese language exam. Now what is N and what is Q here? N represents JLPT. If we are talking about N and we are talking about N5, N4, N3, N2 or N1 means we are talking about the exam JLPT, which is held twice a year. How many times? It is held twice a year and it is only held in ये सिर्फ जुलाई में held होगा and the second is December. So basically it held within 6 months. The first is July, and if you're unable to attempt in July, so the next option is for December. Okay, there are no any exams held between this month or before this month. So JLPT is held twice a year in July and December. N stands for JLPT. And now what is Q? Q stands for NAT, which is also in Japanese proficiency test. Now, NAT is basically means the much important test according to me is JLPT because it is basically conducted all over the world. This is means JLPT is much known by the people here. Okay, people don't know NET much, but they know JLPT. लोगों को ज़्यादातर NET के बारे में नहीं पता. They only just know about JLPT, so they attend JLPT in July or December. But the good thing about NET exam is it is held in every 2 months. It is held in 2 months. First is February, and then after February, March, and it is held in April, then in June, and then in August, and then in October, and in December. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means you're having 6 chances to attend the NET exam in a year. If you are unable to succeed in February, no problem, you can give the same in April, and then in June, August, October, and December means it is held 6 times in a year. So Q stands for NER and N stands for JLPT. Basically, there are 5 levels for Japanese language. There are 5 levels. The easiest one is N5 that we will be studying in this videos. The easiest one is N5 or Q5. First, you have to clear this one and then you will move ahead. After you're going to Q4 or N4, and then you're moving to N3 or Q3, and then you're moving to N2 and N1. The N1 is the toughest exam for Japanese language. Like N1, the easiest one is N5 and the toughest is N1. Clear? So means, okay, in N1 it covers 3,000 kanjis, about 2,500 kanjis to 3,000 kanjis. And the 3,000 kanjis are your daily basis kanjis that you should know. If you cleared N1, you are really very, very comfortable to live your life in Japan and work there. Yeah. Now the important thing comes, if you are a person who wants to work or to study in Japan, so how will we you able to? अगर आपको जापान में स्टडी करनी है और या फिर आप काम करना चाहते हो तो बेसिकली आपको N2 की सर्टिफाइड सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए होंगी वहाँ पे जॉब करने के लिए या फिर वहाँ पे स्टडी करने के लिए. N2, the level should be N2. You need N2 or Q2 certified certificate. You need this if you want to work or to study in Japan. N2. N1 is not necessary, but if you study, it will be only for your sake. So N5, N4, N3, and N2 means 4 levels to live your life in Japan easily. All the 5 means you are professional or you're a pro player, right? So N2 is certified certificate for living in Japan. You can live in Japan, but if you want to work in Japan or you want to study in Japan, so you need the certified certificate of N2 or Q2. Actually, NET exams was not like they were means अगर आपको जापान में काम करना है तो पहले नेट की सर्टिफिकेट दे आर नॉट अलाउड मीन्स वहाँ पे नेट की सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मांगते थे. इफ यू आर क्लियर्ड बाय नेट, not a big deal. You have to show the certificate of JLPT, but now it is कि अगर आपने नेट क्लियर कर रखा है so you will be able to. ठीक है, so means या तो नेट या JLPT and both you will be able to work or to study in Japan. Clear? So this was all about N5 and Q5 and how many chapters are in Q5. In Q5 or in level 5, there are basically 25 grammar lessons and some kanjis. आपको 25 chapters study करने होंगे to clear your level 5 or to clear N5, and with listening practice, paragraph practice, and kanji. Okay, so these are the steps to clear N5, and there are 25 lessons. And then for N4, you need 50 chapters, means 50 chapters for N4. So this is just for introduction, of course. N5 and Q5, the difference between them. If you wanna write, you can have a look till that will move on. Okay, now in this video, our second point we are going to discuss about is we are going to discuss about Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji. Now, before starting it, I would like to suggest or to give you guys an advice that my book is launched with name Learn Basic Japanese by Deepika Schuller. If you purchase those books, if you purchase that book, it will be really very, very easy for you to learn Hiragana, Katakana, and to study Japanese. The book, as the title, the name of the book is Learn Basic Japanese. So उस book के अंदर जो भी हम casual way में greetings and all the stuff that we use in our casual way, all will be there. आप मतलब सिंपली उसके अंदर बेसिक जापानीज होगी जो कि एक बिगनर को पता होना चाहिए. एंड इट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon. And on my website www.thepikachhala.com, you can go and purchase from there. Trust me, the book is really beneficial for you, and the book is written in very easy language. If you read the page, you are going to understand everything. Yeah, I'm serious. Okay, and the second thing, I have planned a mission under 100 plus. If you haven't heard about it, or maybe some of you had heard about it in my previous videos, I would like to tell you once more. Under mission 100 means we are going to donate combos, 100 or 100 plus combos to those children who are not able to get a proper education, or who are not able to afford the price of the books. So basically उस combo में क्या होगा? In that combo there will be 5 things. The first is learn basic Japanese book, practice book of Hiragana and Katakana, and then there will be a notepad plus pen, a kanji chart, and there will be a backpack, like a bag for carrying your stuff in. Okay, so this was it. Don't be late. Share me your details for being a part under Mission 100. You can share your details on Instagram, on my Instagram page, Facebook, and on YouTube as well. And don't forget to purchase the book. They are really very, very beneficial. I'm saying it again and again. So now let us move on. What is Hiragana, Katakana, and Kanji? The first step to start learning Japanese from Hiragana. The first step to study Japanese is you have to know what is Hiragana, and the second is you have to know what is Katakana. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि हीरागाना क्या होते हैं और काताकाना क्या होते हैं और इनको कैसे बनाते हैं. ठीक है, कांजी तो बेसिकली बाद में ही आती है. तो हीरागाना और काताकाना ये हमें क्यों सीखने हैं पहले, व्हाट आर दे, और क्या हमें पहले काताकाना सीख लेने चाहिए या हीरागाना? सो सबसे पहले आपको हीरागाना सीखोगे आप, द फर्स्ट इज, और फिर आप काताकाना पे जाओगे. अब ये है क्या? जैसे इन इंग्लिश देयर आर अल्फाबेट्स लाइक ए बी सी डी E F G H. So there are alphabets, means these are words to make a word, to make a sentence, to frame a sentence, or to make a clause, phrase, whatever.